Hi, it's Ali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing some basics that I picked up from Holara. Most of these are activewear that you can wear for every day. So you can wear them to the gym and you can wear them to work or university. This video is sponsored by Holara. Thank you so much, Holara, for continuing to collaborate with me and for sending me all of these amazing clothes. But of course, all of the opinions are my honest reviews about the products that I chose as always. You can use the code Alicia015 or Alice15 for 15% off on full price Halara items. By the way, Halara has such a wide size range as it should be for all of the brands. I love this about them, so you'll be sure to find your size at Halara. And they also have so many color options available. Not only are they good quality though, they are also really affordable. Check out their website. And you can still use my code Alicia015 or Alice15 to save 15% off on full price Halara items. First up, we have the top that I'm wearing right now. I love this. This is in a crop version. I have a longer version here as well. This is so nice. It has built-in padding, so easy. And what I love most about this is the back. The back has a clasp that you can just take off easily. So if you're someone who hates that sticky feeling after the gym, you just want to take off your activewear as fast as possible, this is definitely the top for you because you can just unclasp it at the back and it's off. And it's so easy to put on as well. I love this. This is definitely a must-have top for me. This longer version is so beautiful. I love this. You can see the clasp over here. And I love how beautiful this lays. I really like crop tops, so I wasn't sure if I wanted both of them in a crop version or the longer version, but I'm so glad that I got the longer version because imagine this under jeans as well. This is something that you can pair with skirts, shorts, pants, and literally anything, to be honest. It also has built-in padding as well, which is removable, by the way, so if you don't want the padding, you can just take it out. The fabric is really stretchy as well and so comfortable and lightweight. Next, we have this navy top. This is such a beautiful color. You guys know I've been obsessed with navy lately and blue in general. I actually have this top in black already, so I'm telling you, if there's a color that you want and then you love the style of it, they have it. They probably have it in that color. It has built-in padding, and what I love about this is that it's a square cut, so it's really flattering to layer with. Like pieces like this are so easy to style. This is how the back looks. It has a cute logo over here. It also really hugs the body nicely. The fabric is so nice. It's really stretchy too, as you can see. Next, we have this black top. This is so classy. I love this. You can pair this with so many things. You can pair it with biker shorts, any kind. And then also skirts. It would also look so good with jeans. And I paired it with the work pants that we have here. And this is such a good outfit for business casual or business. It does have a bit of a low cut on the sides, but I love that. It's super breezy. Also, this is really stretchy. And it also has a cute logo at the back. So you can wear this for activewear, but you can also wear this for casual wear. This is something that you can take from a business brunch to the gym right after. Next, let's take a break from the tops. Look how beautiful this mini dress is. I've worn this for my Instagram already. If you've seen it, if you've seen the post already, this is so adorable. This doesn't actually come with padding though, but that's totally fine with me. I love it. This is adjustable at the front and the back is so stunning. It's also adjustable. It's a stunning crisscross design and it's also very stretchy. It has this waistband over here, so you know it's gonna fit you perfectly. I hope that they come out with more colors because this is just so beautiful. Let's get back to the tops. This is one of my favorites as well. I love this. It's a long sleeve, but it has this cute little finger cutout at the side. I really love tops like this from Halara. They are so snug and fit me so well. This is also in a size XS, super stretchy and comfortable. I can wear it with jeans, with skirts, literally anything. And I can wear it for school as well as long as I wear high-waisted pants or something that would cover my waist a little bit because I do have a dress code. And you can wear this for activewear and casual wear. Definitely a must-have, and it has a cute little logo at the back as well. Next, we have this stunning long sleeve. This is one of my favorite pieces. I actually got this in a size small. It still fits me if I wear a size XS, but I just wanted it to be a little more loose because the XS one is so nice and it's very snug. So I wanted to see how it would be if the sleeves would be a little more oversized, and it still fits me so well, just with the right amount of allowance. Also has the cute thumb holes, which I was just talking about from the previous top. So that's why I got this one. It's so stunning. The halter design and then the shrug, it is so flattering. If you haven't gotten this top from Halara yet, this is something that you need to add to your cart. Promise, no regrets with this top. It's a must-have. And it also does have this belt clasp. But if you don't want it to be visible, you can just wear it this way or you can just unclasp it. So cute. Definitely one of the best-selling pieces from Halara. It's gonna be Burr soon, so it's so crazy, so cozy, so stretchy, and soft. Like, the fabric is so nice. It's really good quality. And it is more of an oversized fit, so it kind of leans towards unisex as well. Such a nice basic to have. If you don't have a sweater yet, Halara has some really good ones. I definitely recommend this, especially for the colder season coming up. Really glad that I got this, and they have this in more colors too. Next are these beautiful pants. I love the color of this. Once again, I'm really obsessed with blue lately. I sized up with these pants. I got them in a size small. I'm usually a size XS. I only sized up because I love how you can take it from a high-waisted fit to a low-waist type of fit, because it's so nice. It has a linen-like material. There's no zipper, so it's very seamless and cozy. It is as comfortable as wearing pajamas, but it looks so put together. I love the design. It has 2 pockets at the sides, and it also has belt loops, so that's so nice. And it also has an elastic waistband, so you're super cozy and snug in these. This is definitely something that I'm gonna be reaching for uni and for work. It is so cozy yet so put together. I love this. One of my faves for sure. If you're looking for good quality work pants, Halara has you covered. Finally, we have these work pants. These are the iconic Halara work pants. They are classic, but I haven't gotten them in this color yet. I have these in white, black, and navy, so I actually love these pants. And I just wanted them in a gray color as well. I also sized up. It is a size small, but it still fits me perfectly. It's just a little longer, but it is still in a petite length. By the way, Halara has lengths for their pants, so that's so sick. They have regular, petite, and tall. So you really know that even your height is considered in Halara. They are so size inclusive and so thoughtful. I love their designs. Got mine in a size petite because I'm 5'3". It has 2 pockets at the sides, and it also has belt loops at the front. So just one thing to note, it doesn't actually have belt loops at the back, unlike the other one. And these are just designs at the back for the cute pockets. I love them though. They are so chic. This fabric is also really stretchy, so it hugs your curves just right. I love the design of this. There's a reason why I got these in multiple colors, and it's because I love them so much. Perfect for work and for uni. By the way, my size range in Halara is usually a size XS. Sometimes I do size up to a size S, but usually I am a size XS. I'm also 5'3" for reference, and I usually get a size petite for their pants. Their shipping is super fast as well. It just depends on where you're located. To make sure that your pieces fit you perfectly, make sure to base off the size chart. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope that this will help you with your haul for back to school and for work. Whether you're shopping for activewear, casual wear, workwear, or for university, you name it, everyday good quality pieces, you can find them at Halara. If you want to see me style more of these pieces, I will be posting them on my Instagram and my other social media channels. It's Alice Roma for all of my social medias. All of the links of the pieces that I chose today will be in the description box down below, so check those out. And once again, you can use my code Alicia015 or Alice15 to save 15% off on all full-price Halara items. Halara is a brand that always listens to its customers, and they actually offer the Halara Circle. More details will be in the description box down below, but basically, in exchange for your feedback, you can get a free product from Halara, and you can actually shape the products of Halara. Please leave a like if this video was helpful, or if you would like to see more try-on hauls or style inspiration from me. Leave a comment on which one was your favorite piece today. Thank you so much again for watching, and thank you so much to Halara for sponsoring today's video. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!